When was the last time you felt sore? Not just in your muscles, in your life. That quiet ache after you tried, after you loved, after you showed up and life handed you resistance instead of reward. Here's what they don't teach you in the gym or in relationships. Soreness is not punishment, it's information. When you lift heavy, your muscles don't just get stronger, they tear microscopically. And then the body does something powerful. It rebuilds. Not back to what it was, but stronger than what broke it. Your heart works the same way, not metaphorically, structurally. When you loved and lost, when you tried and failed, when you reached and missed, you weren't breaking down. You were adapting under load. The real danger isn't the ache, it's quitting before the rebuild begins. Nobody walks into a gym and lifts 100 pounds on day one. You start with the bar. You shake a little. You humble yourself and you come back anyway. And eventually, what once broke you becomes your baseline. Not motivation, adaptation. Not hype, evidence. Hey, it's visionAri from Live Your Vision. And today is Workout Wednesday. The day we remind the body that the mind is not the only one doing the work. The body keeps receipts, not just for what you lift, but for how you live. Let's run the ABC system on rebuilding. A is for awareness. That moment you hesitate before trying again, that's not weakness. That's recognition that growth costs something. B is for boundaries. Recovery is part of training. A muscle that never rests cannot grow. A heart that never heals cannot expand. C is for community. You don't grow alone. A real circle doesn't carry you. It reminds you that you're capable of carrying yourself, like a spotter beside the bar. D is for discipline. Coming back anyway. Not when it's easy, when it's honest. That's where transformation lives. E is for evolution. You are not who you were when you got hurt. You are what learned how to continue. Love is not avoiding the soreness. Love is understanding what the soreness is teaching. Every rep is a return. Every return is refinement. Every refinement is becoming. You didn't fail. You adapted under load. Let's work out a set of affirmations. I do not fear soreness. I recognize it. My heart is not fragile, it's training. I'm not restarting, I'm strengthening. My pain is not proof of failure, it's proof of effort. And I rebuild stronger every time I return. So the question today is, where in your life are you sore right now? And what is it strengthening? Drop it in the comments below. Your heart is the map, your emotions are the compass. And life is the mirror. Remember, love is about you, but it's for us.